No.
Come get Mommy. Hold on and come get me. Remember, push your foot down. Push your foot down. Hold on.
Hard.
I know it's a little hard, but you could do it. If you have to, stand up a little bit. Yeah, don't push backwards. You don't want to go backwards. You want to go forward. There you go. All right. Come on, Maya.
Hard.
You got to push your foot. Like that.
No.
All right, come on. Come get Mommy. Wait, you got to move your foot. Look, your foot goes right here. All right, now stand up. Come get me. Push down. There you go. Almost. There you go. Come on. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Sorry.
That's okay. You don't have to say sorry. You're doing good. Whoa. Make sure you turn it. You're gonna crash. Boom. There you go. Make sure you turn it.
No.
You're doing good. You did great. Good job, Maya. Maya, clap.
Hard.
It's hard, yes, I know it's hard. But you did good. Good job.